Hello everyone, in this video we will see multiple angle examples. So in the last class already we discussed about these many formulas, correct? So these all are multiple angles formulas. So in that first one, sin 2a is equals to 2 sin a into cos a. Second, cos 2a, there are three cos 2a formulas are there. In that first one, cos square a minus of sin square a. Second, 1 minus 2 into sin square a. And third, 2 cos square a minus of 1. So next, third one, tan 2a is equals to 2 tan a divided by what? 1 minus tan square a. Next, fourth one, sin 3a is equals to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Fifth, cos 3a is equals to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. And sixth, tan 3a is equals to 3 tan a minus tan cube a divided by 1 minus 3 tan square a. So in this sin 3a proof, cos 3a proof and tan 3a proof. So these three proofs are very much important for 5 marks question. Okay, so next we will see the examples using what here? Multiple angles. So here is the example. So in that first one, you can see if cos a is equals to, here cos a is equals to root 3 divided by 2, then we need to find out which value here? Cos 2a value. So here cos a value is given, but you need to find out which value? Cos 2a. So here you can see there are three cos 2a formulas are there, correct? So in that, so we need to apply the third one only. Why? Because here you can see, if you want to find out here cos 2a, here one value is already given. Which value is given here? Cos a value is given, correct? Therefore you need to apply the third formula only. You cannot apply the first one, you cannot apply the second, because here cos and sin is there, you don't know the value of sin. Here sin is there, you don't know the value of what here? Sin a. Only you know which value here? Cos a, correct? That's why you need to apply which formula? Third formula. Therefore, solution, first cos 2a is equals to, so what is that formula? 2 times of cos square a minus of what here? 1, correct? So next, which is equals to 2, I am going to keep it as it is. Next I am going to substitute cos a value. You know cos a value is how much? Root 3 divided by 2. So in bracket root 3 divided by 2. So this is the cos a value, but what is the power of that cos? 2. So here whole bracket square, keep it as it is, minus of 1. So next, which is equals to 2 into, open the bracket, root 3 square is 3 divided by 2 square is how much here? 4, minus of 1. So next you can cancel 2 1, 2 2. So what is the remaining value here? 3 divided by 2 minus of what here? 1. So next here I am going to take the LCM. So what is the LCM here? 2 is the LCM. So multiply here by 1, here by what here? 2. So 3 into 1 is 3 minus 2 into 1 is how much here? 2. Therefore 3 minus 2 is how much? 1 divided by 2. Therefore what is the value of cos 2a? 1 divided by 2. Next question. So if sin a is equals to 1 divided by 2, then find cos 2a. So here we need to apply which formula? Here these three are cos 2a formulas only. In that you need to apply the second one, because here which value is given? Sin a value is given. So in that second formula, which value is present here? Only sin a is present. Therefore I am going to apply which formula here? Second one. So solution. So first write the formula. You know the formula, cos 2a is equals to, what is the formula? 1 minus 2 into what here? Sin square a. Next substitute sin a value. Therefore 1 minus 2 into sine A value is 1 divided by 2. What is the power of sine here? Square. So keep that square as it is. So next open the bracket. So which is equals to this 1 I am going to keep it as it is, minus 2 also I am going to keep it as it is. 1 square is 1 upon 2 square is how much here? 4. So next cancel 2 1 2 2. Therefore which is equals to 1 minus it is 1 divided by 2. So take the LCM. So what is the LCM here? 2 is the LCM. So multiply here by 2 and here by how much here? 1. Therefore 2 into 1 is 2 minus 1 into 1 is 1. So which is equals to 2 minus 1 is how much? 1 divided by denominator is how much here? 2. Therefore what is the value of cos 2a? 1 divided by 2. Next question. If sine A is equals to 1 upon 2, cos A is equals to root 3 by 2, then find cos 2A. So here two values are given. One is sine A value is given and cos A value is given. You need to find out which value? Cos 2A. Therefore you need to apply the first formula, because in the first formula of cos 2A, cos A is also there, sine A is also there. Both the values already it is given. So I am going to apply the first formula. So what is that? Cos 2A is equals to cos square A minus of what? Sine square A. So next substitute cos A. Cos A is equals to how much here? Root 3 divided by 2 whole bracket square minus sine A is how much here? 1 upon 2 whole bracket square. Open the bracket. So you know root 3 square is 3 divided by 2 square is how much here? 4. Minus 1 square is 1 divided by 2 square is how much here? 4. So again take the LCM. So LCM is 4. So multiply here both the value by what? 1 only. So 3 into 1 is 3 minus 1 into 1 is 1. So which is equals to, so 3 minus 1 is how much? 2 divided by 4. You can cancel here. What is the final answer? 1 divided by 2. So next question. If theta is equals to pi divided by 2, then find cos 2 theta. Correct? So here instead of giving angle A, here which angle is given? Theta is given. Therefore in place of angle A here you need to replace by what? Theta. So you know here there are three formulas of cos 2A is there. Correct? So in that, which formula you are going to apply? Here you can apply all three formulas. Any one you can apply, because here they have not mentioned sine theta, they have not mentioned what here? Cos theta. Only angle is there. You can see in all three formulas angles are present. Correct? Therefore any two I am going to show you. So you can apply in these three any one formula. Correct? So see now. Solution. Cos 2 theta is equals to, I am going to apply the second one, 1 minus 2 sine square theta. 1 minus 2 sine square theta. So which is equals to 1 minus 2 into, next in bracket sine I am going to keep it as it is, theta. What is theta value here? Pi divided by 2 whole bracket square, because power is how much here? Square. So next, which is equals to 1 minus 2 into, you know, sine pi divided by 2 is nothing but sine how much degree? 90 degree. Correct? Sine pi by 2 means how much degree? Sine 90 degree. In that standard trigonometric table, sine 90 degree value is how much here? 1. So this value here I am going to substitute. Therefore sine 90 degree is 1, but what is the power of that value? Square. Correct? So which is equals to 1 minus 2 into 1 square is 1 Therefore 1 minus 2 into 1 is 2, so which is equals to 1 minus 2 is how much here? Minus 1. Correct? How much you are getting here? Minus 1. So this is also correct. Otherwise, using one more formula I am going to show you. So cos 2 theta is equals to, here I am going to apply the first formula. Okay, cos square theta minus sin square theta. So here I am going to write cos square theta minus of what here? Sin square theta. So first cos theta means how much degree? 90 degree, that is pi divided by 2 whole bracket square minus sin, again theta means how much here? Pi divided by 2 whole bracket square. Correct? So you know cos 90 sin 90. Therefore you know sin 90 degree is 1. Similarly cos 90 degree goes to how much here? 0. Correct? Therefore substitute cos 90 degree is 0, so it is 0 square, minus sin 90 degree is 1, so it is 1 square. So finally you know 0 square is 0, minus 1 square is 1, 0 minus 1 is how much here? Minus 1. So you can see, if you apply the 1 minus 2 sin square theta formula, final answer how much you are getting? Minus 1. Suppose if you apply cos square theta minus sin square theta formula, again you are getting the same answer. That's why what I said, in these three formulas you can apply any one formula, because in all the formulas that angle is present. So next question. Show that square root of 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 1 plus cos 2 theta value is how much here? Tan theta. So here I am going to take this left hand side value. After taking the left hand side value, I am going to show which is equals to what here? Right hand side. So first I am going to consider left hand side, LHS. So what is LHS here? Square root of 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 1 plus cos 2 theta. So now see, here I am going to apply, to simplify this you need to apply here multiple angle formula. So you know this formula, correct? What is that formula? Cos 2 theta is equals to 1 minus 2 into what here? Sin square theta. So this is the multiple angle formula. In this formula, if I shift this minus 2 into sin square theta to left hand side, minus becomes what here? Plus 2 into what here? Sin square theta is equals to, this one I am going to keep it as it is. Next I am going to shift plus cos 2 theta to right hand side, so that time plus becomes what here? Minus cos 2 theta. Correct? So this is the first one. Similarly, one more formula is there. Cos 2 theta is equals to 2 times of cos square theta minus of what here? 1. So here what I am going to do is, only minus 1 I am going to shift to which side here? Left hand side. So that time cos 2 theta, this minus 1 becomes what here? Plus 1 is equals to what here? 2 cos square theta. So now see, here which value is there? 1 minus cos 2 theta you got. Here you got 1 plus cos 2 theta. You know 1 minus cos 2 theta is nothing but what? Is nothing but 2 into sin square theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta is nothing but what? 2 into cos square theta. Now these two values here I am going to substitute. So which is equals to that square root, I am going to keep it as it is. Here 1 minus cos 2 theta is there. You know 1 minus cos 2 theta is nothing but what? 2 into what here? Sin square theta divided by, denominator you can see 1 plus cos 2 theta is there. 1 plus cos 2 theta is nothing but what? 2 into what? Cos square theta. Correct? So next, here you can cancel 2 and 2. So which is equals to, again in trigonometry you know this formula, sin theta divided by cos theta is nothing but what here? Tan theta. correct? Sine by cos is nothing but what? Reciprocal relation tan theta, but here sine square divided by what? Cos square. Both the powers are same. Therefore, you can write sine square by cos square is nothing but what here? Tan square theta. So that time square root and power, both values get cancelled. So what is the remaining value? Tan theta. So which is equals to what here? Right hand side. Therefore, left hand side is equals to what here? Right hand side. Next example you can try. So same thing, reverse order. Show that square root of 1 plus cos 2 theta divided by 1 minus cos 2 theta is equals to what here? Cot theta. So it will go in reverse order. So instead of sine by cos, you will get what here? Cos by sine. You know, cos theta divided by sine theta is nothing but what here? Cot theta. So here you will get the cot square, power and square root both get cancelled. Finally, which value will get here? Cot theta. Next example. See, in the next example, show that 1 plus cos 2 theta plus sin 2 theta divided by 1 minus cos 2 theta plus sin 2 theta is equals to cot theta. So again here I am going to take the left hand side value. So solution. So first I am going to consider the left hand side. So what is the left hand side? 1 plus cos 2 theta plus sin 2 theta divided by 1 minus cos 2 theta plus sin 2 theta. So by applying the formula only you can simplify this. So here you can see here three formulas you need to apply. So first one, multiple angle formula, you know, sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta into cos theta, and these two just now I shown you. You can see here 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 into cos square, 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 into sin square. That formula only I had written here, correct? So these three formula here I am going to apply. So here you can see this is 1 plus cos 2 theta, apply 2 cos square theta formula. Here sin 2 theta, apply this formula. Same formula here also you need to apply, because here sin 2 theta and here 1 minus cos 2 theta. So this formula you need to apply. So see, 1 plus cos 2 theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta is nothing but what? 2 into cos square theta. Middle plus sin. Sin 2 theta is what? 2 times of sin theta into what here? Cos theta, divided by 1 minus cos 2 theta. 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 into sin square theta. Again middle plus sin. Sin 2 theta is nothing but 2 into sin theta into what here? Cos theta. So now see, in the numerator there are two terms are there, correct? So this is the first one, so this is the second, in between which sign here? Plus. In that you can see in the first term also 2 is there, here also 2 is there, here cos theta, here also cos theta. So you can take here 2 cos theta outside, that is common. So if I take 2 into cos theta outside, so that time here 2 cos theta are there, so remaining only 1 cos theta, plus if I take this 2 outside, this cos theta outside, what is the remaining value here? Sin theta, correct? Similarly, divided by, here also same process I am going to do, but here I am going to take 2 into which value? Sin theta I am going to take it outside. So that time here 1 sin theta will remain as it is, plus here 2 sin I am going to take it outside, remaining value is what here? Cos theta. Now you can see here one more important point is you cannot cancel 2 here also 2 1 cos 1 sin you cannot cancel, because in between these two which sign is present here? plus sign is there, correct? So in between two terms, if plus or minus sign comes, you cannot cancel the terms, correct? Therefore you cannot cancel here. That's why what I did, I have taken the values common. Now here you can cancel, because see in between these two, again here which sign is coming here? Multiplication sign. So in between any two terms, if multiplication sign comes, easily you can cancel the terms. So I can cancel here 2 and 2, sin theta plus cos theta, sin theta plus cos theta. So next, what is the remaining value here? Cos theta divided by what here? Sin theta. You know, in trigonometric reciprocal relation, cos theta divided by sin theta is nothing but what here? Cot theta. So which is equals to which part here? Right hand side. Therefore LHS is equals to RHS. So next, same example, it is in the reverse order. You try this. Show that 1 minus cos 2 theta plus sin 2 theta divided by 1 plus cos 2 theta plus sin 2 theta. You have to show what here? Tan theta. Same process, same formula you are going to apply, but in reverse order. So you will get which value here? Tan theta. Next question. Show that sin 3 theta divided by sin theta minus cos 3 theta divided by cos theta is equals to 2. So again here I am going to take the left hand side, then I am going to show which is equals to right hand side. So solution, first I am going to consider left hand side. So what is the left hand side? Sin 3 theta divided by sin theta minus cos 3 theta divided by what? Cos theta. So here for this numerator sin 3 theta and for this numerator cos 3 theta, I am going to apply these two multiple angle formula. Here angle is theta is there, but in actual formula we have taken angle as what here? A. Just what you need to do is replace A by theta, correct? So first I am going to apply here sin 3 theta formula, this one, and here I am going to apply cos 3 theta, this formula I am going to apply. So see now, which is equals to sin 3 theta is what? 3 sin theta, 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta divided by sin theta. I am going to keep it as it is in the denominator. Middle negative sign. Cos 3 theta is what? 4 times of cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta divided by denominator is what here? Cos theta. Yes. Next. So again, next, to cancel this denominator sin theta, directly it is not possible to cancel these two or these two, correct? Because that's why what I am going to do in this numerator, here also sin theta, here also sin theta. Sorry. Okay. So here what I am going to do, sin theta I am going to take it outside. If I take sin theta common, here remaining value is 3 minus here 3 sin are there. If I take 1 outside, what is the remaining value? 4 into sin square theta, correct? Divided by denominator is what? Sin theta. Same process here also. Minus I am going to keep it as it is. Here cos theta I am going to take it outside. Remaining value 4. 3 cos theta are there. If I take 1 outside, remaining is what? Cos square theta minus, if I take this cos theta outside, what is the remaining value? 3 divided by what is the denominator here? Cos theta. Now because of this multiplication sign, you can cancel sin theta, cos theta, cos theta. So next, which is equals to, because of middle and negative sign is there, so these two values I am going to keep it in bracket, that is 3 minus 4 into what here? Sin square theta minus 4 cos square theta minus of how much here? 3. Okay, so next open the bracket, so which is equals to, this is 3 minus 4 into what? sine square theta, minus into plus is minus 4 cos square theta, minus into minus is how much here? Plus. Correct. So next, which is equals to, so you can see here 3 and here 3. 3 plus 3 is how much here? 6. Correct. 3 plus 3, 6. Next, what I'm going to do is, here you can see minus 4 sine square, minus 4 cos square. Here minus as well as what? 4 is common. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take minus 4 outside. If I take minus 4 outside, in bracket, what is the remaining value? Sine square theta plus what? Cos square theta. Correct. If I take minus sign inside, minus into plus is minus, minus into plus is what? Minus. Correct. That's why you need to take what here? Middle plus a sign. Next, see, you know this identity formula, sine square theta plus cos square theta, value is how much here? 1. Therefore, which is equals to 6 minus 4 into sine square theta plus cos square theta, this value goes to how much here? 1. Therefore, which is equals to 6 minus of 4 into 1 is 4. So 6 minus 4 is how much here? 2. So which is equals to RHS. Therefore, LHS is equals to what here? RHS. Thank you.